afternoon po. We are here at SMX OR. Those who are here who wants to apply. Ito po kami dito. We are the community helping seafarer and seafarers' wives and families. Meron po kami under kami na Gold Protection Program. Nag-guide po kami yan Ambulance Chasing community. Kami po yung nag-represent family, seafarers' wives. Ako po, wife po ako ni seafarer ng Master Mariner. So pinapromote po namin yung awareness about the seafarers' welfare. Kung marami po kayong katanungan about ambulance chasing, meron po kami mga flyers dito. Dito po kami, may booth kami dito. You can ask anything you want about your safety, kung ano po yung mga benefits, o may mga gusto po kayong itanong about maritime na hindi nyo alam kung kanino kayo lalapit, saan kayo pupunta, you're afraid to ask kasi baka magbabayad kayo. Andito po kami to help for free. Meron po kami mga helplines. Pwede nyo po kami makontak anytime. Aside from that, meron din po kami mga case study, yung mga naka-experience sa barko na aksidente. Madalas sila po yung nilalapitan ng mga ambulance chaser. Sila po yung mga lawyer, yung mga maybe some agent, pretending to be an agent na willing to help you. Pero they're offering, taking advantage of your situation to grab that opportunity para lang po ma-win kayo. At the end of the day, wala kayong makukuhang benefits, kundi sila yung mas nakinabang na dapat po mapunta sa inyo. So, nandito po kami, we're volunteering to help, to reach to giving awareness. Ito po yung group namin. You can follow our page, WCSF. Nakatry po kami sa Gold Foundation, Amaso. So, you can contact us. Nandito po yung aming flyer. Thank you so much. Come and join us. Good afternoon.